It's community harassment. The gang stalking. I'm out of coffee. And a friend of mine sent me some coffee through Amazon. It was supposed to be here by 3. It's not showing up today. I don't know if it's not showing up, but I feel like, didn't I just say it's not showing up today? So it's probably not showing up today. And having a hard time sleeping, you know, and I'm sleeping in the middle of the day and shit. And I just woke up. And phone's ringing and it's DHS about the food stamp. Raw. Get up. And it was a certain way. And that was at 3:33. Fuckers pulling the strings, man. They just really love this shit, dude. You know? And like, you might think you have intuition, a bad feeling about something. And if you say it out loud, they'll make it come true. And then they'll say, "You're psychic, bro." It's fucking, oh God. Fucking flies, man. There's like dog shit in the neighborhood, yeah. A lot of dog shit in somebody's backyard, eh? Two flies down. One to go. Where the fuck's my coffee? It's not showing up. I don't know, what is today? Oh, it's a Friday. Already again.